Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch the full lecture. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In our last video we just discussed about the introduction about overhead costing. If you have not watched the part 1 video, please watch the part 1 video, because without even knowing the introduction part, it will be very difficult for you to understand how to solve the problem. Now the question is on the screen. Please take the screenshot of the question, or at least write down the question, so that when I'm explaining it will be easy for you to understand. The following information is supplied from the costing records of a company. Rent is 2000, maintenance is 1200, depreciation is 900, lighting is 200, insurance is 1000, employers contribution to provident fund is 300, energy is 1800, supervision is 3000. Then they have given the floor space of each department and number of workers working in each department. Then they have even given us the total direct wages. Then the cost of machinery also they have told. Then stock of goods also they have told. We need to prepare a statement showing apportionment of costs to various departments. Now whatever the costs they have given, that we need to distribute it to various department. Now let us see how to do that distribution. So this is the format. Here you will be writing the expenses. Then here basis, on what basis you will apportionate, means ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ಸಿನ ಒಂದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎ rupees symbol, department B rupees symbol, department C and department D. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಓವರ್ಹೆಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸಮರಿ, overhead distribution summary. Now first what they have given in the question, we'll take that. In the expenses column, first they have given rent, so write that rent here. What is the total amount of rent? 2000. Write that 2000 rupees here. Now in our introduction video we have discussed about the basis of apportionment, means on what basis we need to divide or portion the total expenses. So rent, rate and taxes, everything we need to apportionate on the basis of floor space. So we will divide it on the basis of floor space. Now let us see how to calculate that one. First one is rent. What is the rent value? It is 2000 rupees. Rentina ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ 2000 rupees ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಇದನ್ನು ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಳಿ ಎ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಿ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಸಿ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಡಿ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಬಿ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಸಿ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. Now write down their floor space measurement. A department floor space is 150 square feet, B department floor space is 110, C department floor space is 90 and D department floor space is 50. Now try to take the ratio of this. We need to find out the ratio. On that particular ratio we need to divide this 2000. ಮೊದಲು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ 2000 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now first I will cancel all the zeros. So it will become 15, 11, 9 and 5. So further I cannot divide. So this will become my ratio. 11 plus 9 is 20, 15 plus 5 is 20, 20 plus 20 is 40. Total it is 40. Now we have department A, department B, department C and department D. Now for department A the ratio will be 2000 into 15 divided by 40. 15 divided by 40. For B department it will be 2000 into 11 divided by 40. For C department it will be 2000 into 9 divided by 40. For D department it will be 2000 into 5 divided by 40. Now let us try to calculate this. First one is 2000 into 15 divided by 40. We will get 750. That 750 we need to write here. So for A it is how much? A it is 750. Means this 2000 cost we are dividing to all departments. A department is of 750 rupees value. Next is B department is 2000 into 11 divided by 40. It is 550. So for B department it is 550 is the cost. Next we need to calculate for C department. C department is how much? 2000 into 9 divided by 40. It will be 450 rupees. So here it is for C department 450 rupees. Next for D department it is 2000 into 5 divided by 40. So 2000 into 5 divided by 40 will be 250 rupees. So you can write here 250. Now if you add all these four you will get 2000. Now this is all about rent. Now next we have maintenance. So next is maintenance. So maintenance we will do for machineries. Maintenance ನಾವು machineries ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So what will be the basis? Basis will be on the cost of machinery. On the cost of machinery. So what is the total expenses of maintenance? It is 1200. So now let us see how to solve this. Now maintenance. Maintenance amount is 1200. This will be divided on the basis of cost of machinery. Now let me take A department, B department and C department. A department cost of machinery is 24,000. B department cost of machinery is 18,000. C department cost of machinery is 12,000 and D department cost of machinery is 6,000. Now cancel all 3 zeros. So it will be, you will get 24, 18, 12 and 6. So this also you can divide. 6 ones are 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. So to apportionate in the value of 4:3:2:1. So total if you add 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 will be 10. So you should divide on this ratio. Now when you divide it, you are having A department, B department, C department and D department. So the maintenance value is 1200 and A ratio is 4/10. B is 1200 into 3/10. C is 1200 into 2/10 and D is 1200 into 1 divided by 10. Now let us do 1200 into 4 divided by 10. It will be 480 rupees. Next 1200 into 3 divided by 10. It will be 360 rupees. Next 1200 into 2 divided by 10. It will be 240 rupees. Next 1200 into 1 divided by 10. It will be 120 rupees. Now write the same value here. For A it is 480 and B it is 360. For C it is 240 and for D it is 120. This is all about the maintenance. Next we are having depreciation. So that we need to write here. Depreciation. So depreciation on what basis we will do? Depreciation same thing on the basis of cost of machinery we will do. The same ratio. Now what is the total value of depreciation? The total value of depreciation is 900. So now here the same thing let us calculate. Depreciation, the same ratio 4:3:2:1. Now we have A department, B department, C department and D department. A department 900 into 4/10, B department 900 into 3/10, C department 900 into 2 by 10, and D department 1200 into 1 divided by 10. Now 900 into 4 by 10. So 900 into 4 divided by 10. It will be 360 rupees. The same 360 rupees we need to write it here. 360 rupees. Next is for B department, it is 900 into 3 divided by 10. It will be 270 rupees. That same 270 rupees we will write it over here. Next, for C department, it will be 900 into 2 divided by 10. It will be 180 rupees. The same 180 rupees we will write it here. Next, the D department will be, it is 900. 900 into 1 divided by 10. It will be 90 rupees. So here you will write 90 rupees. Next, what we are having in the question? In the question, we are having lighting. Lighting we are having. Now, lighting on what basis we will do? First basis is on the number of lighting points. But in question, they have not given us number of lighting points. But they have given floor space. So based on the floor space, we can calculate. So the basis is floor space. So what is the total amount of lighting? The total amount of lighting is 200 rupees. Now if you observe here, we have found out the floor space ratio. It is 15:11:9:5. What is that? 15:11:9:5. This is lighting, and lighting we will apportion it on the basis of floor space. So lighting total value is 200. Now we have A department, B department, C department and D department. A department will be 200. If we add all this 15 plus 11 plus 9 plus 5, it will be 40. So A department will be 15 divided by 40. So 200 into 15 divided by 40. B department will be 200 into 11 divided by 40. And C department, it will be 200 into 9 divided by 40. And D department will be 200 into 5 divided by 40. Now A department is 200 into 15 divided by 40. It will be 75 rupees. And B department will be 200 into 11 divided by 40. It will be 55 rupees. Next, the C department, 200 into 9 divided by 40. It will be 45 rupees. Next, D department, 200 into 5 divided by 40. It will be 25 rupees. Now 75 rupees is for A department, so 75 rupees. B department is 55 rupees, so here I will write 55 rupees. Then C department will be 45 rupees, so C department I'll write here 45 rupees, and D department will be 25 rupees, so I will write it 25 rupees. If I add 75, 55, 45 and 25, I will get 200 rupees. Next is insurance. Insurance, we would have kept insurance for stock. So the apportionate how we will make on the basis of stock of goods. Stock of goods. What is the total value of insurance they have given in question? The total value of insurance is 1000 rupees. Now let us try to divide it. So insurance, the total value of insurance is 1000 rupees. The insurance will be apportionated on the basis of stock of goods. Now A department, B department, C department and D department. Now we'll see the question. A department has stock of 15,000 rupees. B department is having stock of 9,000 rupees. C department is having stock of 6,000 rupees, and D department is not having any stock. Now on this basis we need to divide this. Now try to cancel 3 zeros. So 3 zeros you cancel. The remaining will be 15:9:6. So this also further we can divide. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So 5 is to 3 is to 2, which is equal to 10. Now here we are having A department, B department, C department and D department. Total value of insurance is 1000. 1000 into 5 is the ratio of A department, 5 divided by 10. Then B is 1000 into 3 divided by 10. C is 1000 into 2 divided by 10. D is not having any ratio. So D no need to calculate. Now 1000 into 5 divided by 10 is 500. 1000 into 3 divided by 10 is 300. 1000 into 2 divided by 10 is 200. The same thing we will write here. 500, 300 and 200. So for D there is no ratio. What is our next expenses that given in the question? It is employer's contribution to PF. So employer's contribution to PF. It is based on the, usually we will calculate on the number of workers. Okay. Sorry, usually we will calculate this employee provident fund. It is related to wages. Employee provident fund bandu wages ke related. So we will calculate it on the basis of direct wages. We will calculate on the basis of direct wages. Total employees provident fund value is 300 rupees. 300 rupees. Now see here, PF. PF total value is how much? PF total value is 300 rupees. That is calculated on the basis of direct wages. Now A department, B department, C department and D department are there. A department direct wages is 8000 rupees. B department direct wages is 6000 rupees. C department direct wages is 4000 rupees and D department direct wages is 2000 rupees. First cancel all the zeros, 3 zeros. So it will be 8 is to 6 is to 4 is to 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 4s are. So if you add all this, it will be 10. Now total wages is 300. So A department, B department, C department and D department. So A department will be 300 into 4 divided by 10. 4 divided by 10. B department it will be 300 into 3 divided by 10. C department will be 300 into 2 divided by 10. D will be 300 into 1 divided by 10. Now let us try to calculate. 300 into 4 divided by 10, it will be 120 rupees. Next 300 into 3 divided by 10, it will be 90 rupees. Next 300 into 2 divided by 10, it will be 60 rupees. And 300 into 1 divided by 10, it will be 30 rupees. So this is how the PF contribution of PF is distributed. Now same 120, 90, 60 and 30, write it in our table. So 120, 90, 60 and 30. So hope you understood till here. Next is what? Next is energy. Energy means what? To run some machine we require some energy. So energy for what we will utilize? The energy will be utilized to operate machinery. So it will be basis on cost of machinery. So we all know the cost of machinery ratio. The cost of machinery ratio is 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1. So the cost, it is 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1. Now we are dividing the energy. Energy, total energy utilized is how much? It is 1800. It will be on the basis of cost of machinery. We have found out 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1, which is equal to 10. We have A department, B department, C department and D department. A department will be 1800 into 4 divided by 10. B department will be 1800 into 3 divided by 10. C department will be 1800 into 2 divided by 10. D department will be 1800 into 1 divided by 10. Now 1800 into 4 divided by 10 will be 720 rupees. Next B department 1800 into 3 divided by 10, it will be 540 rupees. Next C department 1800 into 2 divided by 10, it will be 360 rupees. Next 1800 into 1 divided by 10, it will be 180 rupees. Now 720, 540, 360 and 180, write it here. Total it is 1800. For A department it is 720, B department 540, C department 360 and D department 180 rupees. Now the last one we are having, that is supervision. Whom we should supervise? We have to supervise the employees. So it will be based on number of workers. So total supervision value is 3000 rupees. So now if you take here, now we are calculating it for supervision. Supervision will be based on number of workers. Total supervision value is 3000. Now we have A department, B department, C department and D department. Now in question they have given us, in A department total 24 workers are working, in B department 16 workers are working, in C department 12 workers are working and in D department 8 workers are working. Now we can divide it by 4 table. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 6s are 24. If we add all this, you will get total 15. Now we have to divide this 3000 in this ratio. So A department, B department, C department and D department. A department it will be 3000 into 6 by 15. B department it will be 3000 into 4 by 15. C department it will be 3000 into 3 by 15 and D department it will be 3000 into 2 by 15. So 3000 into 6 divided by 15, it will be 1200. Next 3000 into 4 divided by 15, it will be 800. 3000 into 3 divided by 15, it will be 600. 3000 into 2 divided by 15, it will be 400. Now same 12,200, 800, 600, 400 we have to write over here. So 1200, 800, 600 and 400. Now we have apportionated all the expenses which they have given in the question. Now we need to make the total. Add all this 2000 plus 1200 plus 900 plus 200 plus 1000 plus 300 plus 1800 plus 3000. It will be total 10,400 is the expenses. In that, let us see how much it will come for A department. Add 750 plus 480 plus 360 plus 75 plus 500 plus 120 plus 720 plus 1200. You will get 4,205 rupees. Now add B department expenses, that is 550 plus 360 plus 270 plus 55 plus 300 plus 90 plus 540 plus 800. It will be 2965. Now add these 450 plus 240 plus 180 plus 45 plus 200 plus 60 plus 360 plus 600. It will be 2135. Now add D department expenses, that is 250 plus 120 plus 90 plus 25 plus 30 plus 180 plus 400. It will be 1095. So this is how you need to solve this problem. Hope you have understood this problem very well. Now once again, you people just try to solve with me only by watching the video once again, so that you can clearly understand how to solve this problem. This is one of the easiest chapter and you can easily score marks in this particular chapter. Hope you have understood this video very well. In my next video, I'll come back with more problems. Till then, keep watching my channel, and if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe my channel and support us. Thank you. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.